back to my channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a lovely and wonderful day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to where you are watching me from. Okay, my people, if it's your first time seeing my channel, please go and subscribe. Kindly do go and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you see this video helpful to you, like the video, share it, and if you have anything to say about the video, drop it at the comment section below. I'll be there to answer you. Okay, my people, I'm going to show you how to make this face mask. Yes, how to make this face mask on your face. This banana, lemon and honey face mask, they are very good on the face. So this will make your face glow. It's very good. It will moisturize your face. You know, banana, honey and lemon, they are good on the face and the skin also. So I will show you how to make it. This banana, lemon and honey will make a natural moisturizer, yes, on your face, and also for anti-aging, and it will also reduce puffing heights. And this last one, I so much love this one. It will also help you to get rid of dark spots and blemishes. Please guys, go and try it. This banana, honey and lemon face mask, go and try it. So it's just use it only 2 times in a week. You will see the result. Use it only 2 times in a week on your face. So after applying it on your face, you will leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then you wash it out with warm water. Then I will show you what I use after the mask. After I leave my mask on my face for 15 to 20 minutes, I will just wash it out. But maximum is 20 minutes. Yes, I will wash it out and use this glycerin. Oh my god, this fair and white glycerin, they are very good. This explosive and whitenizer, so you can use it on your face because it also contains vitamin C. Yes, it contains vitamin C. So if you have any oil that is good, that will help you to moisturize your face, you can use it also. Okay guys, let me show you how to make this banana, honey and lemon face mask. Okay, see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye. Okay, my people, let me show you how to make this banana, lemon and honey face mask on your face. So this is the blender I'm going to use. The 4-in-1 blender is very good. It's very good. So you can get one for yourself, and they are in 4-in-1. So I'm going to use the middle one, which is the longer one. This is the machine. So this is the one I'm going to use for the banana, to mash the banana. So this is my container. So, and this also the brush that I'm going to use on my face. That is the banana, the lemon. So the lemon I have 2, but I'm going to make use of the big one. So that is my honey, the spoon that I'm going to use to measure the lemon and the honey. So now I'm going to put the mash machine. I'm just going to plug it. I peel the banana. I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. So guys, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do go and subscribe. So I just cut it into smaller pieces so that it will be easy for me to mash with my blender. So now I'm going to on the blender. Please go and get one for yourself. It's really good. This blender is so good. I so much love it. I just ordered it last week and it came last week also. That was 3 days delivery. It was quick delivery. Oh my god, look at the way this blender mashed this banana, so that is why I love the blender so much. So now I'm going to cut the lemon. I'm going to cut the lemon, but I will have bought the liquid one, but I said let me go for this one. This one is also okay because I have one at home. There is 1 spoon of lemon. That is the lemon juice, 1 spoon. Also 1 spoon of honey. Please, if you want to stir it, please make sure you stir it very well. I'm also going to use the machine because the blender is really good. Yeah, I so much love it. Okay guys, let me just leave you to watch this video. If you want to see the amazing wonderful of this face mask, please watch this video to the end. Let me leave you guys. See you guys later. Bye. So I'm going to apply the mask on my face. I'm going to apply it on my face. So I don't have anything on my face, no oil, nothing. This is the brush that I'm going to use. I'm just going to apply then on my face. After applying this on my face, so I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes. Yes, for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I will wash it off and apply my oil to moisturize my face. Okay, my people, let me just leave you to keep on washing. Have a very wonderful day. See you guys later. Bye. Okay, my people, this is my face. This is my face. So I just leave it for 15 minutes to dry on my face, and this is the final look. Now I'm going to wash it off. After washing it, I'm going to use my Fair Home White Exclusive Whitenizer Vitamin C on my face. Oh my god, look at my face. Now I'm going to use it to moisturize my face and my neck. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I so much love you. See you guys in my next video. Bye.